drawing Everest from PAW Patrol. Grab your pencils and let's have fun while we learn 10 cool facts about this snow pup. Are you ready? Let's start drawing! Everest is a snow rescue pup who loves working in icy, snowy mountains. She drives a snowplow vehicle that can dig, push, and clear snow. Everest's pup tag symbol is a snowflake, showing her snow rescue specialty. Her favorite saying is, "Ice or snow, I'm ready to go." Everest was first introduced in Season 2 of PAW Patrol. She is a husky, a dog breed known for cold weather and sled pulling. Everest lives at Jake's mountain cabin, helping Jake with mountain rescues. Her fur is purple and white, and she wears a teal uniform. Everest is very energetic and loves sliding belly first down snowy hills. Her best friend is Jake, but she also works closely with the rest of the PAW Patrol team. Great job, everyone! Your Everest drawings look amazing! Thanks for learning and drawing with me today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and come back for more fun videos on Jelly Kids Learning. See you next time!